There are a variety of different landing page templates within Aweber, and some custom designed just to sell a product or service. For example, if you're selling an online course, we have one just set up for that. There's a Buy Now button already installed. That's where you can set up any of your product, tags, price, things like that. If you're selling physical products, we have templates for those as well. Again, the Buy Now buttons are all built in. You'll see there's not only a section for a main one here, but 3 separate smaller ones as well. Here's a real simple one. You can just put a picture of your product, description and name, and the Buy Now button's right there. Again, if you're selling multiple products, we have one that has this awesome space where you can highlight maybe a sale or an exclusive product of the month, and then the rest of your inventory can also be listed out below. You can duplicate those and add as many products, creating a whole storefront. And finally, it's really cool, that template also comes with a thank you page. Really nicely designed, keeps that consistent branding with a link that goes back to your shop. Now that link's a regular button, so you just add the link to your shop right in the URL section.